Okay, so they are all empty. If you would have picked the one in my hand, you would have won a good cash for yourself.
While I was in school, I loved to cook. And one thing I love to do is I love to make videos of this food and post them online.
Had somebody said, you don't have an iPhone, you can't start content creation. I'm like, oh.
Yes, exactly.
But that's the new. I don't want to believe that. Artificial intelligence can now write essays, design logos, create music, edit videos, and even answer questions like humans. Some people believe AI will replace millions of jobs. Others believe it will only simplify or make things better. But here is the big question. Can artificial intelligence replace human talent? Or is just something about creativity, purpose and passion that no machine can ever copy? Let us find out. Welcome to Prodigy Squad, where we nurture talent and create opportunities for young persons across Africa. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of our everyday lives. Students use it, businesses use it, content creators use it, professionals across many industries, are learning and collaborating using it. Many young people are beginning to wonder if AI can do so much. Does talent still matter? To help us explore this very important topic, do a 1 minute video telling us how AI is going to replace talent or how AI cannot replace talent. Just 1 minute video and send it to us on our social media platforms. The best video, we're going to be inviting you to our studio for us to have the conversation further, and you're going to also win interesting prizes. Today, we are meeting one of the most amazing young people who reached out to us for mentorship. She's right here with me in the studio. Welcome to Springtime Studio.
Thank you.
We're so excited to have you.
Thank you for having me.
And one particular reason why I'm excited is because, to see a young graduate reaching out for mentorship is something that I really appreciate. And that's one thing that we do under the Prodigy Squad initiative. So thank you once again for coming to our studio.
Thank you for having
So
me.
please introduce yourself and tell us what you do.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mary, and I'm a content creator.
Okay, you're a graduate, right?
Yes, I'm a graduate of tourism and hospitality management.
Oh, tourism and hospitality management. So how does that align with content creation? How do you put it together?
Okay, content creation has been one of the things that I discovered that I love, because I realized that even when I was in school, I loved making videos. I love talking to people. I love creating with brands. So it has been something that has been in me right when I was inside school. So hospitality is also like dealing with people. Content creation is dealing with people. So I feel like they are actually aligned.
So are you saying that content creation is your skill?
Yes, content creation, storytelling.
Okay, content creation, storytelling.
Yeah.
These are the things that can just wake Mary up and say,
yes.
And you're ready to go.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So looking at it now, how did you discover that? I know you mentioned it a bit.
Yes.
That you discovered it in school. How you got to know that you love storytelling.
Yes.
How you got to understand that actually I love content creation. Take me through that journey in less than a minute. How did you discover that part of you?
While I was in school, I loved to cook. And one thing I love to do is I love to make videos of this food and post them online.
Okay. Maybe we'll take it to our kitchen and you cook for us before leaving the studio today.
Okay. So I discovered that I love to cook and I love to post videos of this food online. So I didn't know that was content creation actually. I just knew that I just love to do this.
Okay.
So, and then I started learning that was actually food content creation. And it just became like part of me. But one thing that stopped me was like I didn't have tools, or I felt like I didn't have the tools to start content creation.
The tools? You have phone already.
Okay, so big content creators then, people that inspired me, had iPhone, tripod, and they had different equipment. So I was like, I don't have all these things. So maybe when I graduate and I'm able to afford them, I will be able to start.
That's another discussion for another day. We are going to be telling you how to start with what you have before you start taking it all to the big level. Okay? But that's a discussion for another day. We'll be telling you the vital tools that you need to start content creation. I've had somebody said, if you don't have an iPhone, you can't start content creation. I'm like, oh.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
But that's the me. As in, I don't want to believe that. And I don't believe that actually. But we're going to be addressing some of these issues in other episodes of the show. So what inspired you to reach out to Prodigy Squad?
Okay. I realized that in life you need someone to mentor you. You need someone to guide you. You need someone that will tell you, okay, this is the way to go, that will help your talent. I was struggling with visibility. I was struggling with fear. I was struggling with how to start. Where do I start from? How do I become big? Is this even a talent? Is this something that will grow? So I decided to reach out to Prodigy Squad because I saw their page online. We're talking about talent. Your talent matters. Your talent is this. So I said, okay, let me just message them. And so far, I've been learning a lot that content creation is actually, for me, content creation is actually one of the vital skills that you can have in today's world. So I've been learning, I've been enjoying. So yes.
Oh, you've been enjoying. So you look as if you're coming and we're giving you food and chicken.
No, I've been learning real skills.
Okay. All right. So if you had the right mentorship, the mentorship you already have one of the right mentorship.
Yes.
That I'm giving you right now, Prodigy Squad. And you might get an opportunity, right? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
5 years. 5 years.
Making too big.
Making money now, but actually working with global brands. I see myself working with global brands. I see myself even venturing into public speaking where I'm speaking on global platforms, not just creating content from my room or recording videos. So yes.
Yeah, because I've seen content creators. You know that it's funny enough to see people that can speak very well behind their cameras.
Yes.
When it gets to speaking in public, addressing a large audience, it becomes an issue. And I'm like, okay, but that was the same you behind. So these are two different things. And don't forget, Prodigy Squad is here for you. We can always mentor you, guide you, and show you how to overcome those fears and how to gain your confidence at any point in time. Okay, so then looking at so what would you say to a young person out there having a talent but are afraid to take the first step?
Okay, one thing I would say is just start. It might look big, it might look scary, but if you don't move, you won't know how exactly it's going to go. And don't be afraid to reach out. Don't be afraid to reach out to people to mentor you. You might be feeling like they might say no, but in the midst of many no, there's always one yes. So don't be afraid to reach out and don't be afraid to start. Just start. Just start.
And like you got a yes with us.
Just like I got a yes with Prodigy Squad.
All right. Okay, thank you so much. Now we're going into what we call the quick fire rounds. Okay. Where you have to answer just 6 questions in 6 seconds.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
One word that describes you.
Determined.
What's your biggest dream?
Oh, my biggest dream. To work with global brands, basically, to speak on global platforms.
Who inspires you?
Oh, God.
What's one skill you want to learn this year?
Public speaking, like I said.
Finish this sentence. My talent will
feed me now. It's money that I'm looking for. I need money.
Oh my God.
But it will.
Okay, your talent is
it will feed me.
It will feed you. All right. Thank you very much. So we have the next segment, which is the Bullseye challenge. Okay, so So this is what we call the Bullseye challenge here.
Okay.
You get to throw this, right? And we have what each number stands for behind our card. So I'm going to be reading out to you. Wherever that lands, we'll read out that number to you. And whatever that number says, that's what you're going to do.
Okay.
Are you game?
No problem.
Let's go. Are you ready?
I'm there ready.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
Wow. So 5, your very first time for coming to our studio. And number 5. Okay, number 5, you're going to be presented an envelope.
Okay.
And I'm going to pick one of the envelope. Let me have the envelope. Thank you. So I have 2 envelopes with me.
Okay.
So you're meant to pick one of this envelope.
Okay.
Okay. So can you check what is in there?
What is inside?
We have several envelopes there. Okay, so they are all empty. If you would have picked the one in my hand, you'd have won a good cash for yourself. So she picked the empty envelope and she couldn't win the cash. So thank you for playing the Bullseye challenge.
Thank you.
Better luck next time.
You can still give me the money.
No. So thank you for sharing your journey with us.
For having me.
Thank you for coming to the studio today.
Thank
And
you.
I know that your journey with us has just begun and is going to get better and better and better by the day. At Prodigy Squad, we believe that every talent deserves the right opportunity. This is just the beginning, and we are excited to walk this journey with you. If you have a talent and you're looking for mentorship or opportunity, send us a message. Your story could be the next. See you in the next episode.
Brought to you by Springtimes Media.